If you have tried everything you can, but your Windows PC sound is still not working, then this video is right for you. I can put a smile on your face. Before we start this video, please feel free to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Now let's start the fixing process. This is the symbol for sound in taskbar, but it's not working, so to fix this issue, first and foremost check the audio hardware for any loose connections. If there is any loose connection, fix it first with a soft hand. If it works, then fine. But if it doesn't fix the problem, move on to the next process. The software part. Search Device Manager. Look for the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers option in Device Manager. Enter it and look for any option appearing here on my screen. There are two options, but for your computer, there may not be any option. That's fine. It simply means you don't have an audio driver. So what is an audio driver? An audio driver is a software component that enables communication between the operating system and the audio hardware components in a computer. This driver facilitates the playback and recording of audio, managing tasks such as converting digital data to analog signals for output through speakers or headphones, and converting analog signals from microphones or other input devices into digital data. Audio drivers are essential for the proper functioning of audio devices in a computer system. Now you know what is an audio driver. So if no option appears when you click Sound, Video, and Game Controllers option, this means you don't have an audio driver, and as a result, no sound is coming out of your PC. So you need to install an audio driver. How can you install an audio driver? One of the common audio driver for Windows is the Realtek audio driver, and you can download it from Realtek website and Intel website as well. If your system is Windows 11, you can download from Intel website, and if your system is up to Windows 10, you can download from Realtek website. The first website I'm entering is Realtek. So here there is an option for Linux as well. But since we are downloading for Windows, we are going to download from Windows section. And also check your system type. Is it 32 bits or 64 bits? My system is Windows 10 64 bits, so I'm choosing the 64 bits option. If your system is 32 bits, then download the 32 bits option, then install. You can also download from Intel website too. Search audio driver. Choose the right option and download. Even after installing the drivers, if the sound is still not working, then right-click on the new downloaded driver. Click Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for Drivers option, and update it. I hope your sound problem is solved now. If you already have audio driver installed on your device like mine, then right-click on it. And there are three options here. The second option may appear Enable Device if you disable the driver or the speaker. So enable it first. In my case, I disabled the driver. That's why no sound was coming. So I'm enabling it, then click Update Driver. After updating the driver, the sound problem is solved now. You can hear my PC sound now. I hope your sound problem is solved now, so please don't forget to leave a like and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.